Pictionary. Pictionary is the one of the best Esl game. This is one of the vocabulary activity. Pictionary. Now we discuss how to play this game. Before the class starts, prepare a bunch of words and put them in a bag. Split the class into teams of 2 and draw a line down the middle of the board. Like this. We divide the classroom into 2 sections and we draw this number board or scoreboard on the blackboard. Give one team member from each team a pen and ask them to choose a word from the bag. Pen or chalk piece. Tell the students to draw the word as a picture on the board and encourage their team to guess the word. Like this. The student take a piece of paper and draw that word as a picture. The first team to shout the correct answer gets a point. They shouts the answers. The student who has completed drawing should then nominate someone else to draw for their team. Repeat this until all the words are gone. Make sure you have enough words that each student gets to draw at least once. This is the best activity, Pictionary. Thank you.